Some people believe that the moon landing was faked. Are they right, or is this a tinfoil hat theory to be debunked?
Tinfoil hat theories debunked.
Some people believe that Stanley Kubrick was hired by the US government to fake the moon landing, by making a movie of it. He made a movie called 2001, A Space Odyssey, with a lot of space scenes, so he was the perfect guy to make fake footage for the moon landing. They believe he made the movie The Shining in the 1980s, as a veiled confession for this secret project. Some people say that in some photos of the moon landing, crosshairs seem to be behind objects. Other people say that there are identical backgrounds in photos which, according to their captions, were taken miles apart. However, this is all bullshit. I'll prove it to you. Go online, buy yourself a laser and point it at the right spot on the moon. If you point it at the right spot on the moon, it will bounce back and be detectable. If you point it at the wrong spot, it will just bounce off the moon, like any other laser, and it won't be detectable. That's because we left the LLR, the Lunar Laser Ranging Experiment. The ongoing Lunar Laser Ranging Experiment measures the distance between the Earth and the Moon using laser ranging. Lasers on Earth are aimed at retroreflectors planted on the Moon during the Apollo program, and the time for the reflected light to return is determined. You'll have to search for the right spot to point your laser at, but I'm sure that if you can find the most bizarre theories about the moon landing being fake, you can find that as well. If you're too poor to buy a laser, go to Google Moon, you can see the rover tracks, where the landers are and everything else they left behind. If you are paranoid and don't trust Google, buy a telescope. You will be able to see the stuff they left behind on the moon with a telescope. So throw away your tinfoil hat and don't believe the conspiracy theorists that claim that the moon landing was fake. The moon landing really happened.